Hi, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and today I'm not doing a video on product. I am doing a video that I need help. Of course, what do you mean? We are so darn busy at the store, and thank you to all the great customers that come in here and have us do installations and purchase our products. With that all being said, we're getting so much business that I need to hire another installer. That's right. I need someone with some experience who knows how to do installs. Now, of course, we will train you on the C&H way on a lot of our products, but I do want someone who has an initial background of installation. So if that sounds like you, we could use you here. And you probably know us from YouTube, and we do a lot of installs, and we'll keep you nice and busy here. Also, I find this a fun environment. We do our YouTube videos. Sometimes you might help us out with that. As you know, you've probably seen Dave do some videos, and he's really knowledgeable, and you might be able to be on YouTube like me, as well as helping our guests. I always let the customers sometimes talk to our installers, and if they have questions, they can go into more detail on what we're doing. So if you think that might be a great place to work, which is C&H, I think it's a great place. John, what about you? You think it's a great place?
Awesome.
All right. So John, our general manager, which you'll probably be talking to him first, give us a call at the store. The number will be at the bottom of this video. It's going to be 754-205-4575. Again, we're in Margate, Florida, so if you're, obviously if you're out of state, it would be a little harder. So we're looking again for someone local that can come to our store and help us with helping our customers with their installation. Again, if we'll help you with some training, we'll be teaching a lot of, like I said, we do things, maybe some things a little different. I like to go the extra mile on these things to make them a little bit more water resistant, things of that nature. But again, someone who's maybe good with electrical, someone who can help with doing lifts, stuff like that. Those are some of the areas I'm looking for. Again, if this sounds like something you want to do, give us a call. We'll sit down, we'll talk, we'll see if it works out for both of us. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and we are looking for an installer for the store. Thank you.